Today, we're adding a powerful lightning thunder effect to your video, perfect for creating storm vibes, dramatic scenes, or energetic cinematic moments. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap to select the clip. Next, go to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Then choose Video Effects. And remember, all video effects in CapCut Mobile are applied directly onto your clip. From the categories, open the Decor tab. Here, look for the effect called lightning and tap to apply it. Instantly, you'll see bright lightning flashes appear over your footage, adding intensity and energy to the scene. To customize the effect, tap on the lightning effect again. You'll find two sliders. Speed controls how frequently the lightning strikes. Slide right for rapid flashes, or left for slower, dramatic strikes. Atmosphere adjusts how strong and bright the lightning appears. Increase it for bold, intense thunder energy, or decrease it for subtle, realistic flashes. You can also stretch the effect on the timeline to choose how long the thunder visuals stay active. And that's it. You've successfully added lightning thunder effects in CapCut Mobile, perfect for dramatic edits, cinematic transitions, or storm themed videos. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.